is that, one, it is not true that we have two appropriations. Two, Senator Ningi must be charged to court for conduct likely going to cause breach of peace and criminal misinformation. These two are very important. The charges will be preferred by the Criminal Justice Department of the government, and of course, after thorough investigation. Because I'm a member of our Appropriation Committee, and I'm chairman of Inter-Parliamentary worldwide. When I go here and travel to the next United Nations Convention, the first question I will be asked is, well, how did you do two budgets? And you know, it will be difficult for me to begin to answer this question. I'm preparing for the World Bank in April for the spring meeting. I'm going to be asked this set of questions. So it's very important, as a matter of urgency, for the federal government to charge Senator Ningi to court for criminal misinformation as well as conduct likely going to cause breach of peace.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.